previously to using Factbird, most of the data collection that we were doing was literally in the back of a napkin. Someone didn't keep that piece of paper, someone erased that whiteboard. All of a sudden, we didn't have any more information of what our previous losses were for the previous month, previous week. We couldn't strategically figure out solutions, and we couldn't really be able to work on continuous improvement ideas. So my name is Roberto Marquez. I am the plant manager at Raymundos. I'm responsible for day-to-day operations, production, safety, quality, and maintenance. So today we've incorporated Factbird into our day-to-day processes. Now it's become an expectation for all of our employees that when we do have downtime, they're making sure that they're using the system to document what the loss was, and we can go actually into very specific into what kind of loss it was. Initially, when we started using the system, we were ranging anywhere from 60 to 65% OEE. Right now, we're averaging anywhere from 80 to 85%. So we've gone up about 20 points in OEE overall of all of our equipment. So, again, I'm a very strong believer in data. I'm a very strong, process and systems-oriented kind of manager. So for me, having that information and being able to use it effectively is a great tool for me. So again, something I think every single kind of manufacturing environment needs to have. Again, if you're not precise, if you're not working on the right things, your resources, your efforts can go down the drain, and nothing can be more depleting for a manufacturing environment. You're spending time, you're spending money, and you're not seeing any type of benefit. But when you're able to precisely take action, fix the things that are wrong, be able to drive improvement where you need to drive improvement, and all of a sudden you start to see profitability, you start seeing more production, you start to see less injuries, better quality, the overall health of the business starts to go up and get better as well. Yeah, so our total cost per cup has gone down. So again, what Factbird is able to help us is be able to identify the reasons that the lines are stopping, but it's also giving us live information on how well the line is performing. So if we see that that line is not performing at rate or at target, we're able to take immediate actions and be able to see if our actions help drive that case rate up. So again, it's something very good for us, because for us, cases is what drives our total cost. The more cases, it means lower cost for us. Lower cost means that we're more competitive. It means that we're able to be stronger at the market. That data, again, was previously lost. No one was using any of that data to be able to drive any actions for improvements. So now that we're recording that data, we're looking at the trends. We're looking at weekly, monthly trends. Based on where we're seeing any type of losses and trend losses, we're taking actions to be able to prevent the issue from hurting us again the following week or the following month. So again, having the information to say this is where you need to take action on becomes very important for us. In fact, we're able to give us that information. So it's just a sensor really tying it to the server, giving it power, and it's live.